Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day, and thank you so much for coming to see this new video. I'm very excited to share. As you can see from the description below, this is going to be a review of an item, and it is, I know, going to be absolutely beautiful. I have not opened the box yet. This was kindly sent to me for review and to share with you guys, and I am super excited to share it because it is an absolutely adorable, and I cannot wait to actually see it in person, mason jar that is hand painted, and it's a small one, and it can be used for and this is what I'm going to use it for, a sponge holder to sit like on my kitchen sink. But you could also use it for Q-tips, business cards, just, you know, a variety of different things. This is from an Etsy shop called All That's Rustic, and I will make sure to link that down below so you can check it out. They have got some absolutely amazing items, and they're beautiful. The turnaround time can be 2 to 3 weeks because all items are handmade, and there is a small shipping charge, but you know, it's just, there's so many adorable things. If you're into the rustic farmhouse southern fun stuff and mason jars and all that good stuff, then this Etsy page is absolutely for you, and I highly recommend you going to check it out. Like I said, I will link that down below. This is what I'm going to show you, like I said, is a smaller mason jar, and you can actually select what color you want. So whether you choose to use it in your bathroom, say for the Q-tips, or, sorry, I just bumped the camera, or if you choose to use it in the kitchen like I am as a sponge holder, I went with like a rustic red color because I have a accent wall in my kitchen that is that color. So I thought it would be really cute. So we are going to go ahead and dive in here. If I did not say, this item is $5, so it's really not bad. And like I said, there is a small shipping charge. I'm not sure if the shipping varies per item or based on your location, but you know, a small shipping charge it's not bad at all. So let's get in here and see. I never thought I'd be so excited to get something to hold a sponge, but I really am. So there is a nice card here. Let's see. It says, "Thank you for your support. We hope you find yourself smiling while opening this. I know we did when we got your order. Thank you so much for shopping small. Your purchase has supported a small family business. We are forever grateful. Enjoy your rustic/farmhouse decor. Love, the All That's Rustic family." There is a coupon code here. It says enjoy 10% off your next purchase. The coupon code is AllRustic10. I will make sure to leave that down below for you guys. So that is just super cute. I love when companies add the extra touch to say thank you, or, you know, show their appreciation for you as a customer. So let's take the paper out here. And again, this is something I know I've said in many videos. I really, really appreciate when companies take time to package everything well. First of all, the box itself said fragile. There was quite a bit of packing paper on top, and then the item itself is in bubble wrap to ensure that it arrives safely and undamaged, which is great. And you guys, this is absolutely so cute and far exceeded my expectations. Like I said, the pictures are adorable, but actually seeing it in person, it is so cute, and it's going to be absolutely beautiful sitting on my kitchen sink with a sponge. So you guys ready? You ready? Pow! How cute is this? like it with the twine, that is so cute. Like I said, have never been so excited for something to sit on my sink with a sponge, but this is just so cute. As you guys know, my name is Southern Mom, so mason jars and all of that kind of stuff are absolutely something that I love. So this made my day. So like I said, I will link everything down below for you guys to get you over to the site. She has not only just, this, I mean, she can do, I think there's like soap pumps out of mason jars, different types of decor. There's just so many beautiful things. So you definitely want to check them out. And go ahead, like I said, and please subscribe to see any further videos. And I do, all the unboxings and different reviews of items like this. And don't forget to enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway once you have hit subscribe. I will make sure to put the link down below for that as well to get you over and you can enter into that contest. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day, and until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.